This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lindsay Baumann. Permits approved, financing available, ready to build, pick your finishes and amp, colors. Introducing the BELLE floor plan, 3-bed+den, 2-bath single-family home with 2-car garage that's designed to elevate your lifestyle. As you step through the French doors, you will be greeted by a blend of sophistication and amp, function. The heart of the home is the stunning kitchen adorned with quartz countertops and amp, appliances of your choosing.Tile. Floors flow gracefully throughout, enhancing the spaciousness and amp, elegance of each room. With 8 interior doors and 9 feet 4 inches ceilings, the home exudes an airy and open ambience. Relax on the large covered back lanai. Your peace of mind is assured with hurricane impact windows and amp, doors providing security and amp, energy efficiency. The great room, thoughtfully designed for entertaining, connects the living, dining, and amp, kitchen, creating a harmonious living space. The kitchen leads into the indoor laundry room, adding a practical touch to your daily routine. As the final touch of personalization, you have the privilege of selecting all your finishes, ensuring that every aspect of your dream home reflects your style. Don't miss the opportunity to experience modern living. For more information, review the details below or contact Lindsay Baumann at 239-292-7880.